is our office building. This is our sand making plant. This is our automatic dry mortar plant. Our simple dry mortar plant include 3 tons per hour, 5 tons per hour, 7 tons per hour. Our automatic dry mortar plant include 10 tons per hour, 15 tons per hour, 20 tons per hour, and so on. This is our automatic dry mortar plant. Let's go upstairs and see the details of the automatic dry mortar plant. This is the premix hopper. This is the additives hopper. And this is the additives screw conveyor. This is the additives automatic wing screw. This is the twin shaft graphic pedal mixer machine. This is the finished product hopper, and this is the pneumatic 3-way valve. This is our twin shaft graphic pedal mixer machine. Let's see its structure inside. Its blade and shaft are made by high wear resistance material. It can work well for a long lifetime. It can work with high mixing speed, high uniformity, and less power consumption. Welcome to our factory and welcome to contact us and send your requirements as long as you need.